Hello and welcome to today's video on the exciting world of data science. In this video, we will explore what data science is and why it has become such a popular and in-demand field in recent years. Data science is the interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It involves various techniques from mathematics, statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge to analyze and interpret complex data sets. The goal of data science is to discover patterns, generate insights, and make informed decisions based on data. One of the key reasons why data science is gaining so much traction is its ability to provide valuable insights that can drive decision-making in various industries. By analyzing large volumes of data, data scientists can identify trends, uncover hidden patterns, and make predictions that can inform strategic business decisions. This can help companies optimize their operations, improve customer experiences, and even develop innovative new products and services. Data science is also revolutionizing fields like healthcare, finance, and marketing. In healthcare, for example, data science is being used to develop precision medicine, personalized treatments, and early disease detection models. In finance, data science is used for risk assessment, fraud detection, and algorithmic trading. And in marketing, data science helps businesses better understand consumer behavior, target their advertising efforts, and measure campaign success. To effectively work in data science, one must have a solid foundation in mathematics and statistics, as well as programming skills. Python and R are widely used programming languages in data science due to their extensive libraries and tools specifically designed for data analysis and machine learning. In conclusion, data science is a fascinating field that leverages data to make informed decisions and drive innovation across various industries. Its ability to uncover patterns, generate insights, and predict outcomes has made it an essential tool for businesses and organizations worldwide. Whether you are interested in pursuing a career in data science or simply curious about the field, staying informed and keeping up with the latest advancements is key to thriving in this ever-evolving domain. Thank you for joining me in this introduction to data science. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. Stay tuned for more exciting content on this topic, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates.